Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to see blocked people on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Roblox application and make sure that you have already logged in. With this you will directly land on the homepage of Roblox. Now click on these three dots on the right bottom corner. And after this, tap on settings, this screw-like icon right here. You will get to see your account settings. After you do this, tap on privacy option right here. Once you get into privacy settings, scroll down to the very end, and here you'll get to see these blocked users and show button. If you do not see this show button right here, then it means that you haven't blocked anyone. Now what you need to do is tap on show button, and here you will get to see the list of people that you have blocked. You can also unblock the blocked people from here by clicking on this unblock option. So this was it for today guys. A very easy and simple process. I hope you all guys liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.